Magnitude 3.7 earthquake strikes southeast of San Francisco, just east of the Hayward Fault again. Now we know a few days ago we had a 3.9 on the Hayward Fault. We had a 3.2 in San Francisco. Yesterday we had a 3.5, 3.2 around Los Angeles, felt by tens of thousands. And this one here was reported to USGS as being felt about 120. Maybe there'll be more, but let's take a look at the shake map of the USGS. As we know, San Francisco Bay Area is a very soft area. There's a lot of land filled in the area, and there could be a lot of liquefaction in case of a larger earthquake. Let's take a look at the shake map of USGS, see what's happening there. Kindly support my Patreon account since YouTube has again demonetized my YouTube channel. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below. And here we are. This is our earthquake, the 3.7 at 5.8 kilometers depth. That's about 3 miles down. It's in an area of a lot of lakes, as you can see. This is low-lying between mountains. It's just east of the Hayward Fault, and this is the area that we're talking about. Let's pull out a little bit, and this is our San Francisco area. These are only the quakes above 2.5. Let's see what the other activity is. Okay, this is the quake that we're talking about, the 3.7. And these are the quakes around San Francisco, a lot smaller, as we know. Okay. Ridgecrest, of course, has a lot. Just east of the Long Valley Caldera area. Actually, this is part of the Long Valley Caldera area. Mono Lake is right there, as you can see. And Los Angeles right here. Okay, let's go into our shake map. 125 people reported it. Doesn't mean that only those felt it, but this is our tectonics. This is the Hayward Fault, and this is the San Andreas Fault, and this is where they meet around Salinas. And it's just east of that area right there, in that area of lakes and low-lying. And let's go back to our shake maps so you can see how the area was affected. Pulling out a little bit again. And we'll go back to our aerial. Okay, and push in again to see what took place. Did it shake Long Valley? Yes, it did shake Long Valley. That's Mono Lake of Long Valley Caldera right there. So with all these quakes happening along the San Andreas at the, as we know, we can see Long Valley is just across from the San Francisco Bay Area. You can see that it's been shaken, okay? That's Long Valley right there. Mammoth Lakes, Long Valley, Mina, Nevada, Tom's Place, all this is Long Valley Caldera. And it's a very high threat volcano of California, as we know. Let's pull out again. This is, you'll see this is where USGS stops its square. Okay, so we have a lot of activity on the West Coast. All of you there, please be very careful. Of course, this is normal activity of the West Coast. We know that it's one of the worst places in the world to have the seismic activity because of the fact that it's a subduction zone of the Pacific Plate under the North American Plate. And we know 95% of the world's, look at us, look at Alaska, 95% of the world's earthquakes and 75% of the volcanic eruptions happen on the Pacific Ring of Fire. And we know that yesterday on July 3rd we had the CME striking and giving us cosmic rays around the Pacific Ocean. Today we had, let's see if we can get back to what I had here. space weather for NOAA. This is what we have today. Today it's over the Atlantic. Today we had an X1 flare. We'll have a space weather video upcoming soon. This is over the Atlantic today, but yesterday was over here, over the Pacific, so you can see that a lot of this is getting hit on the west coast as well. Okay, so this is what we have here. If you extend this, I don't know if Los Angeles felt it, but definitely this Bay Area, which is very soft, is low-lying and landfill, where we had the 1906 earthquake. There's a lot more people living there now, and a lot of them are living in the Bay Area, which is an area of liquefaction. So this again shook Long Valley Caldera. All of you there, please be very careful, be alert. I hope all of you have your Quake Alert apps so that if they see that there's an earthquake over 4 magnitude, the GPS will locate you to see if you are in the shake area and will notify you so you can have a couple of seconds to take cover. I'll leave links below for you for this. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support.